plantation, the enslaved blacks were trained to see themselves as powerless. Any positive shift in their fate was seen as divine intervention. This Augustinian approach to life has led to a dependency on the supernatural. When you fail to see yourself as the one in control of your life, you are less motivated to take the initiative to change your life. Let's take a look and see how this helpless mindset is shaped and perpetuated on Sunday morning. Welcome to another episode of Slave Sermons.
When you begin to look back over your life and see how God blessed you, praise. Because when you look back over your life, you see where God brought you from. Is there anybody in the house that's got a praise for a God who did you a favor?
Another technique that the slave masters used to subdue their property was to continue to promise them something. How many times have we heard preachers say this?
You and I believe, God, that something wonderful, I mean wonderful, is about to happen in your life.
I'm Jeremiah Camar, and tune in next time for another episode of Slave Sermons.